Hey guys, so I tried cooking something because some of you guys requested it, but I haven't cooked anything in who knows how long, I can't remember. So it ended up taking far longer than I thought it would. I recorded like an hour of footage, and like half of that was waiting for water to boil. So I edited the footage up into something that I thought might be watchable. It's still pretty terrible, but here it is. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Kraft mac and cheese. We're going to do it on an actual stove, and it's an attempt to actually cook something, because some of you guys wanted to see me cook something. I'm also going to make boiled eggs. So, here we go. Let's see what this says. Need 6 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter, 3 tablespoons of 1% milk. First I need to boil the water in a medium-sized saucepan. We're going to use this one. And then I need to stir in macaroni, cook for 6.5 to 7.5 minutes. Drain, don't rinse, and then add all the ingredients, and then stir until they're mixed well, I guess. Alright. Well, first, we need to boil 6 cups of water. So, I'm gonna get, what cup is this a cup? This is 1 cup, I think. We're gonna take this, and we're gonna go over to the sink, get 6 cups of water. Alright, we're at the sink. 6 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, we're gonna take this back and start boiling it. So since we are gonna get the boiled eggs ready, so for that we're gonna use this pan, and we're gonna boil 3 eggs. How many do I have? So I'm gonna just take. Okay. How do I do it? So I'm gonna take these eggs here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And then here. Okay, back. And fill the egg pan with water. Okay. So for this part, I'm just waiting for water to boil. So this was like 30 minutes of footage. I sped up super fast. I had a timer, but I forgot to turn it on. Eventually, I decided just to pour the noodles in. I think it was sort of boiling at that point, but it wasn't like definitively boiling until they were partially cooked. So I think about here, you're gonna see me. There we go. Whoa, pour it in. Alright, now I stir it in, and now I go check on the eggs. Alright, so we got the eggs here, plate. So I'm gonna try to break them and do that. Alright, can I touch them without getting burnt? They're pretty hot, yo. I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, we're gonna give them a second to cool down. Let's see. Oh, this is so hot. Alright, it's been drained. Ooh, I guess it hasn't been drained. Alright. It's been drained. Now we're drained. Oh, back up here. Alright, now we add the margarine, butter, and cheese. How much butter did it do? 2 tablespoons. Let me get this over here. Very quick. Okay. How do I do this? 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. After this along the line. So here we go. 2 tablespoons. Let me put this back in the refrigerator. Oof. Peel the thing off. Yeah, in there. Oh, let's toss this. Now what else? Butter and cheese, milk. 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk here. 4 tablespoons of milk is. There's this. This 1 tablespoon, so 3. That's also 2. So 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay. And now for cheese sauce. So this. Over here. Pour the cheese sauce in. Alright. Move this over here. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. And sorry, I was supposed to get rid of all the stuff. I'm gonna turn the thing back on. Didn't say we were gonna do that. So actually, I wonder if there's a way I can pull this. There we go. Alright, we're just gonna do this until it looks fully mixed. This actually turned out pretty quickly. This is probably good enough. What else do the instructions say? Alright, that's it. So, we're gonna say this is probably good enough. And pour this into a bowl. This is too big. Go into the bowl. No, it's not going into the bowl. It's going into the floor. Here. Oh, it's still pretty hot, but I'm gonna see. Oh, it's still quite hot. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, we got this. We're gonna. Alright, we cracked it. We cracked it. Now, it's so hot. Alright, YOLO. Oh, I'm wrong. Oh, that makes it much better. Okay, well, I peeled it open. So, let's get all this off. Peel this off. Oh, come on. This is over. Okay. Okay, put it up. Okay, go. So salvage this. There's much again. Alright. Now we're gonna try something else. Okay, we cracked it, now there's a This is too much of it. Okay. This is not go. Go ahead and envision. Try to get this much, this one. Alright, I'm gonna try. Alright, now, please, so I'm gonna try breaking up one. No, so it's a disaster. No. Okay, guys, so I did try to cook it. It didn't actually work out very well. Here's the results. We got the sorry eggs here and the macaroni here. We're gonna try the macaroni first. It actually tastes completely fine. It's not bad. As for the eggs, we're gonna try this one. Oh, it's just a little. Eggs are fine. They're deformed, but fine. Well, that was my cooking thing. I haven't tried cooking and I can't recall the last time I tried to cook anything. So maybe better next time. This is the outro. You can go watch some of my other stuff on the screen if you want. Or not. It's whatever. I'm out.